MYNT is the world's thinnest yet most powerful anti-loss device and universal remote. Wake up and can't find your phone? Just press MYNT. Your phone will ring. Have a tea before going to yoga class and want to enjoy music? Use MYNT. You can remote control your music box to play your favorite music. MYNT is also useful for your work. Need to give a presentation? Use MYNT and you can remote control your slides. Forgot your stuff on the go? Your phone will alert you. Oh right, you forgot your purse at home. From day to night, use MYNT. This tiny 1/8 inch tracker can be attached to your belongings, so you'll have full control. MYNT is made of stainless steel. It has an interchangeable battery that lasts up to a year, and it's open to third party. Enjoy the date and want to take a picture together? No problem. You can use MYNT to remote control your camera for a selfie. Can you imagine never losing your stuff again? Introducing MYNT. No lost, all found. Control everything.